everybody, it's Denise Austin. Today our focus is all about the legs. We are going to do 5 minutes of toning and firming up our legs. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale out. Let's move to the side, a side lunge, and lift back up. And let's go to the other side and stand up. That's it. Keep going down and push away. Beautiful. Down and up. Now you're working the legs, inside the legs, as well as outside and the back of your legs. Great. Take it down and really push away. Good. 2 more, just like that. You got it. Last set. Think about good posture. That's it. Beautiful. Now we're going to do a lunge forward. Good. And a lunge back. A lunge forward. And a lunge back. Good. Push away through the heel and through the heel of the front foot. That's it. Good. You got it. A great lunge series to really blast the fat in the legs. That's it. Giving you beautiful looking legs. We got 2 more. Last one. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. Forward and back. It's a little hard, but you can do it. For anyone who has compromised knees, just go halfway. Just modify. Touch a little in front, touch a little in the back. That's okay. You're still toning your legs. So keep it up. Otherwise, get into it. Come on. A workout that's really going to work for you. Results driven. Give it all you got. Last set. Forward. Be good posture. And back. That's it. Perfect. Okay, now it's time for a deadlift. What you're going to do is just shake the back of your legs by taking it down and lift back up. Notice my back is strong and straight. Knees slightly bent, protecting your spine. And use your thighs to get you back up. Okay, that's a perfect deadlift. Use your thighs. Squeeze right here. All this is squeezing. That's how you're going to do it right. Pull, squeeze through the buttocks. That's great. Do a couple more, just like that. Good posture though. Last one. That's it. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to do a little ballet. Take it forward and take it back. Take it forward. This will shape the entire leg. That's it. You can stand up nice and tall. Beautiful posture. The stomach is in. You can move your arms out here. You need a chair for support. That's okay too. Just do what you can. This workout's for you. Just squeeze it in every day. Last set. Squeeze it around. Last one. Great. Okay, switch legs. Great for your thighs. For the back of your legs. Your entire legs. That's it. Go forward and back. Point your toe. Feel as though you're a ballet class. Everything's lifted through the abs. That's it. Your arms are stretched out. You're squeezing through the back of your legs. No more cellulite. Come on. That's it. No more cottage cheese left. Come on. We got it. We got 2 more. Give it all you got. Last set. Beautiful. Okay. Inhale. And exhale. Stretch out the leg. Get down there and release. Get down there low. Stretch your inner thighs out. That's it. Beautiful. Really reach back there. Yes. Great for your inner thigh. You got it. 2 more of those. Reach. Last one. Great. Now it's time for our calf muscles. They shape your legs too. So we're going to go up on our tippy toes and back down. Up and down. Lift up on the balls of your feet and heels down. Lift and down. That's it. Beautiful. It's all about the calf muscles. Nice shapely legs. Come on. Strong thighs, strong legs. Lean legs. That's it. We got 1 more. Go all the way up on your tippy toes. Hold it there. Hold it there. Beautiful, beautiful. Hold it. Okay. Stretch it out. Stretch out those calves. Oh, best part of the whole time. Stretch it through. You deserve it. That's right. Stretch out those legs. Oh, I love this. Special if you're hustling around all day. Stretch your legs. And the other side. Feels so good. Oh, calf muscles. See, the whole leg is getting a good stretch. And a little hamstring. And switch. And you're done. Inhale up together and exhale. Congratulations. Beautiful looking legs.